Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how can you exclude non-buyers, people who are not likely to buy your premium product and services from Facebook ads. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this, and I'm going to show you how, if you sell premium product and services, how can you exclude people who are not likely to buy your stuff. So I'm logged into one of my Facebook ad managers. So let's go straight into creating a Facebook campaign, ad campaign. So we're going to click on that green create button, and 3 levels of Facebook campaign: the campaign level, ad set level, and the ad level. So here's a quiz for you. Where do you think we set the targeting? Well, if you answered ad set, that's the right answer. All right, so for the purpose of this demo campaign, let's say I want to do conversion campaign, and let's just name it test. And ad set level is where we set all of our targeting options. Who do we want to show our ad campaign to? All right, let's scroll down, and I'm going to look for a section called detailed targeting with exclude people. So this is where you typically put all of your targeting options. So if you're targeting, maybe you're selling fitness products or fashion products, high-end watches, actually let's take an example. Let's say you are selling watches, or Apple watches, something like that, or smart watches, kind of similar to Apple watches. So you want to target people who spend money on Apple Watch, smart watches, things like this, right? Now here is the quick strategy or a hack that you can use to eliminate and exclude people who are not your ideal buyers. So what we're going to do is click on exclude people, and since your product and service that you're selling, or maybe you're doing lead generation for your product and service, which is high-end or premium, you want to exclude people who are bargain hunters. So for example, if I enter the word coupons, so discount coupons, let me go back here, coupons.com, so no suggestions yet, so I'll just kind of enter a couple more. Coupon divas, there's so many of these, right? Crazy coupon lady, there you go. So if you step back and think, if you're selling high-end product and services, right, people who are interested in the coupons, the discounts, the crazy coupon lady, they're looking for bargains. They're looking for cheap stuff. They're not likely to buy or click on your ad. So most likely, you're wasting impressions and potentially ad budget. So by excluding these people, you kind of raise the quality of your targeting, and hence this is a way you can use to improve the quality of your leads from Facebook if you're running lead generation ads. Another thing you can do is I will put brands. So for example, Dollar General, right? So here you go. And then there were other, Dollar Tree was another one. There you go. And then even, what about Walmart, right? Because Walmart is a discount store in the United States, right? So here you go. So I think this was like 19 million before, and now it's like 5.6 million. So it's way less than what we had before. But if we're selling these type of products, high-end, premium, and this is just an example for this video, but step back and think about if your product and service is premium and you want to attract a certain type of buyers, then you may want to eliminate these people right here, people who are not the right type of quality, people whose purchase behaviors or their affinity with these brands already is showing you they may not be interested in your product and services. So very, very simple strategy and simple hack that you can use to eliminate non-buyers and also improve the quality of leads that you generate from your Facebook ad campaigns. If you have any questions related to Facebook ads, you know what to do, right? Leave those questions in the comments below, and also before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.